Hey, I'm Danny from Allpress London, and I'm going to show you how to make a coffee shot spider, also known as float. Oh, where's my maple? So first we're going to make our soda base. So 125 mils of soda. This is a bit of a nostalgic drink for me. You know, back in the day with mum and dad at the pub on a Friday night. A little dollop of maple syrup. A generous dollop of very nice vanilla ice cream. Honeycomb ice cream, strawberry ice cream, go wild. See that fizz? And then lastly, 25 mils of coffee shots. This is a summer treat. It's like a float, but with a coffee twist. Wow, there you have it. Coffee Shots Spider. Spider.